My staff reached out to Jassy's father directly yesterday to let him know we're deeply invested in finding justice for her. And I want the rest of Boston and our Cape Verdean community to know that Commissioner Gross and I share the sense of grief that surrounds this tragedy. Jassy was not in the wrong place at the right time. She was right where every woman has every right to be, celebrating her birthday on a night out with friends. Let's not fall into a discussion about whether we should walk home alone or how many people we should call when we're leaving the club. If anything, let's remind the men in our lives that violence against women isn't a woman's issue. It's a problem that men take responsibility for in their lives, in their sons' lives, and in the social lives with friends and colleagues. This white pin I'm wearing recognizes men taking that responsibility, and I want to commend all the men in my office and the Boston Police Department who are wearing it. I've been in almost constant contact with Commissioner Gross and United States Attorney Lelling. All of us are being briefed regularly by the teams we've assigned to Jassy's kidnapping and apparent homicide. And it's not just us individually on the phone. My top legal staff, Boston police detectives, law enforcement in Rhode Island and Delaware, and federal and state prosecutors are all in contact with each other, sharing information, expertise, and resources. Even now, my chief homicide prosecutor is at Boston Police Department headquarters going over the evidence with detectives. And he's been on the phone through the day and yesterday and today with his counterparts at the Attorney General's office in Delaware and Rhode Island. Boston police have been in contact with police in Providence and Wilmington. This is a very complicated and complex case with evidence in 3 different jurisdictions. There are moving parts in all of them. To protect the integrity of the evidence we've gathered, there are many aspects of it which we simply cannot discuss today. But the city, state, and federal collaboration here has been seamless. Jassy's body is with the Delaware Medical Examiner's Office right now, and the suspect in her death is being held on a fugitive warrant out of Rhode Island. Whatever this case is ultimately charged, wherever it's charged and tried, will be based on the evidence and the law. We're following that wherever it takes us. But let me be clear. We agree that if possible, this case belongs here in Boston, either in Suffolk County or in the U.S. District Courts of Massachusetts. Jassy was and is a part of our community. Her family is a part of our community. And her community deserves the chance to see justice done in this city. But right now, for the people who love Jassy most and for the entire Suffolk County community, this isn't about jurisdiction. This is about a daughter. This is about a mother whose 2-year-old daughter doesn't understand where she's gone and will no longer have a mother. It's about devastating loss for generations of family members who lost a central part of their lives. My heart and my promise of every possible support and getting them the answers they deserve and holding whoever did this to Jassy accountable is with them today. You will now hear from Commissioner Gross.